Hello and welcome. Setting up resource limit. You guys are already aware about soft memory limit. Now in this video, we are going to talk about hard memory limits. So let's start. Now we can set up soft limit for container and services. So hard limit is also for the container and services. So here we are going to set up hard limit for the container. Now I want you to understand the difference. Okay, look at this. Docker run, D. It is like the same name, IT. Okay, if you want to use it, otherwise it is okay if you are not going to use it. But there is no relation between soft limit and hard limit specifically for this word. So here we have name my container. Here we have name my container. But for soft limit, we are using memory reservation. For hard limit, we are just using memory and 512 MB and then image name. So here the command restrict my container to use maximum 512 MB of RAM. If the container tries to use more than this, it will be stopped. Okay. Verification. Docker run, Docker inspect format. This command will use to verify. Okay. So let's use this. Done. Now if I am giving command docker inspect my container, okay, you have to find out the host configuration. So here we have host configuration and here you will have memory. Okay. For soft limit we have memory reservation. For hard limit we have memory. Look at this. If you convert this into the megabyte, it will have 512. But again, if you don't want to convert this, you can directly run this particular command, which will provide you direct details. So docker inspect command is really very lengthy. Here you have direct command. Let me use clear screen. Okay, there is just a dash here. Okay, look at this. Now, if you want to convert this into the MB, so simple. You can use another command in the pipeline, which is going to convert this bytes into the megabytes. Okay, so this is another command. Now, here you will get this 512. 1 second. I just forget this colon here. So let me use this. Yeah. Look at this 512 MB and you can verify this, right? So it is very simple. Now this container cannot use more than 512 MB of RAM. Now you may have questioned that, okay, you are setting up the limits, but we want to increase RAM and we want to verify. No need to worry. In upcoming chapters, we are going to understand monitoring, right? At that time, definitely I will show you about this as well. But right now, we want to verify that how we can set up the limits. Okay. So don't worry. We will go for the practical of this. So I hope you got idea about this. Now I'm going to remove this container. Docker rm-f and my container name is actually my container. Okay. So now I don't have any running container. So let's set up services hard limit. Okay. So here we have services, Docker service create name my service. Going to set up two replicas, limit memory. Here it is a reserve memory. Here we have limit memory command, which is hard limits. Okay. 512 megabytes, nginx latest. This command ensures that each replica of the service, my service will have 512 memory. Verification. Okay. Inspect the service. Docker inspect command is also work. Okay, you can also verify individual service. So let's run this command.
Sorry guys, sorry to disturb you. I know you all are enjoying the session and suddenly it stopped. But if you want full video or if you want full Docker course having 130 plus videos including projects, you can become our community member. Enrollment link is in description. Moreover, we also provide 24/7 support, weekly lifetime live session with Bhavesh Shatara, updates and completion certification as well. still you have any queries regarding it, you can contact me on my personal number. Thank you.